Okay, we're drinking some beer and we're watching some NASCAR, and we're gonna do NASCAR with what the hell is this thing? With a rental carpet cleaner, because Ron screwed up and made a big mess right here. So we're doing some carpet cleaning, and he does not have a driver's license for this. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, here we go. And he's gonna try and fix this little hot spot right here thing. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Probably no. He's dancing like a fucking retard. Hey YouTube, why are you watching a video of us cleaning a carpet, by the way? I don't know. But it cleans the shit out of shit. Look at that. You can definitely tell with cleans the shit out of shit.
Hi, I'm Garrett with Resolve Home Buyers.
Yeah, I guess he did pretty good. He's not done yet, but he got rid of that little shit spot. So, yeah, it's a work in progress.